how to see your card number on Bank of America app. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily find your card number on the Bank of America app. Whether you've lost your card or just need to check it for an online purchase, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to open the Bank of America. If you have an app, just open it, or you can also search for Bank of America on your website. Now that you're on your login screen, simply enter your user ID and password and log into your account. After you've logged in, navigate to the section where you can view your card number from the home screen. Tap on Accounts at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll see a list of your accounts like checking, savings, and credit cards. Find the card for which you want to see the number. It'll be listed under your credit or debit accounts. Once you tap on the card you want to view, you'll see a summary of your account including your current balance, recent transactions, and more. Now, to actually see your full card number, look for the option that says Show Card Number. The option is usually hidden for security reasons, but don't worry, you can reveal it as well. To reveal it, when you tap on Show Card Number, you might be asked to verify your identity for extra security. You can verify using your fingerprint, Face ID, or by entering your account password, depending on how your app is set up. Just a quick reminder, always be careful when viewing your card number online. Don't share it with anyone you don't trust. If for some reason you can't see your card number, or if the Show Card Number option isn't available for your specific card type, don't panic. In some cases, Bank of America may not allow you to view the full card number for security reasons. If that's the case, you can always contact Bank of America's customer support to ask for help. And that's it. You now know how to easily view your card number on the Bank of America app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.